So the reason for the step ladder is I want to make sure I clear that high corn and the signal doesn't get blocked by it. I'm flying in normal mode. I'll probably try sport mode another time. And by the way, I'm in Canada and we have different rules here. We are allowed to fly beyond line of sight as long as we do it safely and we don't put any people or property or aircraft in danger. So I'm flying in this rural area. I'm going to fly until the battery gets down to about 60%. I don't want to risk pushing it too far because if I don't quite make it back, the drone will fall into that cornfield and I'll never find it. Just about to hit 500 meters shortly. I thought it was good to use the smallest phone I have since it's a small drone. This is the Unihertz Jelly Star, and it's perfectly capable of handling the DJI stuff. Batteries are 81%. Past 700 meters. Got full signal. It's amazing that this tiny drone has DJI's 04 transmission system. It's such a good system. Battery's at 75%. We're about to hit 1 kilometer. That's it, 1 kilometer. The battery's at 71%. It's telling me I've got about 5.5 minutes of flight time left. I'm gonna get stressed on the way back. Just know it. 69% battery. I think for this first one, I'll come back when I'm at 65%, just to make sure I actually get the drone back. With all this corn, there's nowhere for me to really land if I have to land early, so I have to make sure I get it all the way back. 67% battery, and we're just about to hit 1.2 kilometers. Okay, 66% battery. I'm gonna turn around. Head back. And if I get back with battery to spare, I'll try to go a bit farther next time. I'm going to lower my altitude a little bit, just to give me a better chance. 62% battery. I've got just over 4 minutes left of battery, 56%. I think it's going to make it just fine. 3.5 minutes left. Half a kilometer to go. Yeah, so it's going to make it just fine. I could have gone further. So it's almost here. I can see it coming. And I've still got 2.5 minutes left of battery. There it is. Okay, so I've got a fresh battery. Even though it's brand new, just off the charger, it says 97%. It's not 100%. So I'm going to try this in sport mode this time. See how it goes. This time we're doing 25 kilometers an hour. See how far we can get. Oh, it's pulling to one side. That's a bit scary. It suddenly just turned to the left. I'm gonna raise up the altitude a bit. Just past 400 meters and I've got 91% charge left. That's 500 meters, 89%. 700 meters, 86%. I think we're going to get quite a bit farther this time. We've got 6 minutes and 46 seconds left of battery. 800 meters and still 84% battery. Oh, signal's a little bit. It's giving me a warning about the transmission signal, but it's still almost full signal. It's dropped a little bit. Just raised the altitude. So we just passed 1 kilometer. We're at 79% battery. There's a little bit of buffing around here. The wind's moving it side to side just slightly. We've passed 1200 meters and we've got 74% battery. That's 1.3 kilometers. So we've gone further than before. This is the farthest I've gone so far. Got 71% battery. The signal is perfectly clear. 1.4 kilometers. We're at 69% battery. 1.5 kilometers. I wonder if we can get to 2 kilometers before I have to turn back. Might have to raise it up a bit. We've got 66% battery and 1.6 kilometers. Yeah, I think strong wind warning. Okay, I'm gonna head back. So we got to pretty much 1.7 kilometers. There it is. There it is. That was great. So I reckon easily 2.5 in sport mode. I'll try again next time. This time we're in a different location and I'll try and go a bit further. It's just past 2 kilometers with 68% battery. And the signal has been flawless the whole time.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
When I get to 65%, yeah, I'm just going to turn home now, 66%. So I turned around at 2.2 kilometers and I'm back and I still have 27% battery. Pretty good.